Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel and today we will be making cookies. And to make the cookies we need half a cup of caster sugar, 500 grams of butter, 5 cups of self-raising flour, 1 can of condensed milk, yes. And you could choose your topping. And we are going to get started. So we need the butter. We need half a cup. This one's half, right? Half a cup of caster sugar. Okay, we've got the butter in there. 5 cups of self-raising flour. Oh, and also make sure to preheat the oven to 200 degrees. Okay, that's a mountain of flour. Then the whole can of condensed milk, so it should be 395 grams. We're gonna need 1 cup of vanilla essence. Thank you. The bowl's already full. Then we need, is that all? I think that's all. Then we mix. This one's looking a bit weirder than the other ones yet. I like the smell of this. Okay, I've washed my hands and now the next step is to pour all of the ingredients onto the table. Kristen's coming back to see us doing this. And then we've got to mix them really well.
Mommy, I'll wait until we put it on the table.
Okay.
Can we use our hands?
Yes.
Hands.
Yes, hands. Get your hands up.
How we have.
Just get them in there and mix it. Make sure to squish the butter up. Yeah, get the butter in there. Because the butter doesn't mix properly, so get it in there and mix it. Butter. You're squeezing a lot of butter.
Can I have all of yours?
No.
Because I can do
No, we
it.
share. My hand is tangled. Get my hand out.
I have lots.
Okay, we'll get all of the stuff around and just mix the butter in with that. Because we've got more butter than anything.
All. We can just share this big pile.
Yeah, big pile of sharing.
Yeah.
Sharingness of piles.
I'll do it.
Pilesingness of shares.
I'll do it small. I'll do it squishy.
Squish it. Smells beautiful.
I'll squish it.
A butter plate.
Squish.
Make a mountain. Make a mountain. Quickly. Like this. Mountain. Butter mountain. Mount Buttery.
It's melting.
And this recipe is also supposed to make 100 cookies, which is a lot. Okay, so now we've got flour on the table. We've got this all in one big ball, and we are going to roll it down and divide it into 4 groups for the 4 different toppings. And this is very fun. Feels a bit like the Play-Doh we once made, just better. And it smells super good. Like, super good. Okay, now we are going to 1, 2, 3. I think we should give these all a little bit more. Okay, now I want to put sprinkles over here, and then chocolate chips over here, and then the sugar over here, and then the jam drops over here. That's the way I want it, yeah. Okay, so now we are going to put these, like we're gonna decorate them on the trays. Like we're gonna make little balls. Decorate those balls, and then and it's all gonna be on tray happening. And then we're gonna put it in the oven for 10 minutes. And then we're going to eat them. Okay, so we finished with all of our cookies, and we added some Biscoff ones as well as extras, and we are going to put them in the oven now. We just finished our first batch, and they have been tasting delicious so far. I would definitely recommend the recipe. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy eating these cookies. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn the notifications bell, and just bye.
Bye.